Namaste, Khusro Betia. I, JBN Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Our today's topic of the session is evolution of supply chain management. And next, we will see why CSM is important nowadays. As previous lecture, we have discussed about what is a supply chain, and we have already discussed its component. So, we will see how supply chain management increase day by day in organization, and why supply chain management affects product and service quality and delivery of the cost and customer experience in organization. So while yesterday's supply chains were focused on the availability, movement, and cost of physical assets, but today's supply chain are about the management of data, services, and product bundles into solution. That means it only focus on about data of the organization, and then it predict how much more than just where and when management is required. But and supply chain management affect the product and service quality and delivery cost and the customer experience and ultimately profitability. As you know, every organization is final objective is profitability and customer satisfaction. So as recently as 2017, a typical supply chain access 50 times more data than just 5 years earlier, and however less than a quarter of this data is being analyzed. Actually, SCM is made up of with artificial intelligence. So it predict the data, it's only work on data and then analyzed how to improve and what is need to improve in your organization. That means the value of critical time sensitive data such as weather, sudden labor shortage, political unrest, and micro burst in demand can be lost. So modern supply chain take advantages of massive amounts of data generated by the chain process and are curated by analytical experts and data scientists. In future, supply chains leaders and the enterprise resource planning, which is called ERP systems they manage, will likely focus on optimizing the usefulness of the data and analyzing it in real time with minimal latency. So why is supply chain management is important nowadays? As you all know, this era is technology based. So effective supply chain management is minimize your cost, waste, and time in the production of cycle. The industry standard has become in just in time supply chain where retail sale automatically signal replenishment order to manufacturers. So by analyzing partner data, Parkins and Welgum identify three scenarios where effective supply chain management increases value to the supply chain cycle. The first one is your identifying potential problem. When a customer orders more product than the manufacturer can deliver, the buyer can complain of poor service. Through data analysis, manufacturers may be able to anticipate the shortage before the buyer is disappointed. Right? The next one is your optimizing price dynamically. Seasonal products have a limited shelf life. At the end of the season, these products are typically scrapped or sold at deep discounts. So, airline, hotels, and other with the perishable products typically adjust prices dynamically to meet demand. By using analytics software, similar forecasting techniques can improve margin even for hard goods. Okay, and the next one is your improving the allocation of available to promise inventory. Analytical software tools help to dynamically allocate resources and schedule work based on the sales forecast actual order and promised delivery of raw materials. Manufacturer can confirm a product delivery date when the order is placed, significantly reducing incorrectly filled order. So, using software for supply chain management is like many types of software have been developed to optimize supply chain performance. Software products cover the gamut from supplying timely and accurately supply chain information to monitoring sales so that manufacturers produce and ship only as much product as can be sold. By reducing unneeded inventory, both manufacturers and retailers can lower the cost of producing and shipping goods and services. For example, IBM has developed many software products to increase the effectiveness of supply chain management, with some of software even using artificial intelligence technologies. With the artificial intelligence capabilities, supply chain software can actually learn an even fluctuating production flow and can anticipate the need for changes. IBM products include IBM Sterling Order Management enables the execution and coordination of order orchestration process across an extended supply chain network. So this type of business, this type of management and the artificial intelligence technology help to make your supply chain management is successful in this technology based era, right? In the next lecture we will see how what is the key features of effective supply chain management. Okay, so the first is your connected means being able to access unstructured data from social media, structured data from the internet of things, and more traditional data sets available through traditional ERP and B2B integration tools. These are some ways by which supply chain management collect data and then predict how to improve in your quality, how to need of the customer, and it analyze how to improve their organization facilities. Okay, collaborative. Improving collaboration with suppliers increasingly means the use of cloud based commerce network to enable multi enterprise collaboration and engagement. Cyber aware. The supply chain must harden its system and from cyber instruction and hacks, which should be an enterprise wide concern. And the last one is your comprehensive. Capabilities must be scaled with data in real time. Insights will be comprehensive and fast. Latency is unexpectable in supply chain of the future. So these are some your software which works on cloud and on your data by using artificial intelligence technology. Okay, so this is all about your this session, and I hope you like my digital session. This digital session this digital session version 2.0, it's provided by Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. If any queries regarding this session, please comment below. Thank you, class.